Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's a new video. Read the reviews. How to withdraw money from brokerage account. No matter what you are investing in, these comes a time where you are needed to withdraw money from brokerage account. This may be a different this used unique with bank account taking money out. This type of investment accounts can something involve extra step. The main reason is your money is principal invest and available at cash format and tools different go hang and process. Once you learn how to withdraw money broker account, you are be available access your money needed. How to withdraw money from brokerage account. When you want to withdraw money broker account, here how. First for log into account your broker style. Second, go to transfer refund optional dependent on the broker you see. Unclearly main negative bar. Third, choose the amount and withdrawal method. You can transfer the money the bank right account requires physical check. Most broker event the best online broker is don't many fees and charges fee transfer type of transfer features instant electronic fund transfer. You can only withdraw cash your broker account. If you want to withdraw more you have available in cash. I needed stock and investment first cake made. That's after your stock you must wait the trade still before you withdraw money brokerage account. Describe seeking as business day after trade and still you can following withdraw process above to get your cash fund final tracks and not then have manage account broker mid let your take cash out before trades still how to call changing maker invest the process time between when to submit request withdraw money and broker account and when to still fund reach accounts. Always check with broker before drawing amount withdrawal. Get instead charging fees jumped the gun. Once you are choosing open our top up traded broker you are needed to make money source buying right stock. We think there is no better place to start than stock advice and finish stock plugin service. Our out company the most fuel to get new stock backup every month plus 10 start stocking and best buying now. Over the past 17 years stock advice and average stock has been 886% return more than 4.5 excel and then S&P 500. Learn more and get started today with especially members discount withdrawing money from retail account. If you are opening individual retirement account IRA with your broker and might make money withdrawal, this additional rules you needed now. Withdrawal your requirement account have brokerage test that withdrawal and regular broker account don't tax money transmitter or IA or 401k account to have to pay income tax. The amount withdrawal you are needed Edit withdrawal to your tax bill, informate income, prepaying interest return and the most resulting test which depended on a tax bracket. We some these are younger than 939 after have paid to easily withdrawal plated with recommended drop into saving these federal government charges easily withdrawal partner equal to 10% of withdrawal your steady money also change some expense IMS may be possible wise withdrawal is purchase first home planning education experience suspension useful because display the way tax partner hence dependent broker some equal withdrawal this amount withdrawal which needed take money more and amount you can vent other late wise and what matter any I am not responsible or pay application tax and future return plan ahead from something withdrawal process is not equal fast easy withdrawal money brokerage account is get money your bank account I needed withdrawal tax which many best give up the excess based stockbroker the estate based stock and opinion value add some debts after zero commission and become a best stockbrokers like a personal finance writer with especially credit card travel rewarded programs and breaking he written the agreement the mostly full working has approached the USA and to show financial he was born and but living in digital nomad and with a home basic Columbia shared the speech very film devices and golden rules which is wide epidemic optional hours along have not people rewarded approval and increase the Ascent does not cover content create defend analyze team most full policy other and the major assistant about the assistant content newsroom and how to we make legal terms of use privacy and policy access policy terms and condition copyright trader and information land credit card motor right banking brokerage loans and recent articles. Join this email list, sign up, buy something your email address, we constant speeding money trip along product and service that's we think made at your unsubscribe time. Please read privacy and policy terms and conditions. For like videos, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.